Hello everyone, my name is Ruchita Reddy Siddenki and today I will be presenting my project titled Screen Time and Social Media Habits, Visualizing Their Effects on Daily Well-Being. So in coming to the introduction, my project mainly focuses on understanding how social media usage affects mental health of the people. My project addresses how different factors like screen time, excess usage of social media, and days without social media affect sleep quality, stress levels, which often disrupts mental well-being of an individual. This problem is important because today many people, especially young adults, spend a lot of time on phones, social media, which may influence their emotions, sleep, and stress. So these are my research questions. Which are, does the number of days an individual abstain from social media have a significant impact on their average sleep quality and stress level? How does sleep quality varies for different social media platforms? Does this screen time impact sleep quality? Let's see what happens. So my project motivation and objectives. The main purpose why have I have chosen this project is uh, there is a growing concern around mental health among every individuals, coinciding with increased digital and social media engagement. I want to analyze how the screen time and usage of social media uh, impacts the stress level and also the sleep patterns of an individual. My approach to explore this problem, first I have read many articles and I came through a website called cackle.com. In that I found a data set called mental health and social media balance data set. I selected this data set and I cleaned the data and handled the missing values, and I named the data set as CSV file. And then I ran this data set in the Jupyter notebook. The data set contains about 500 rows and 110 attributes. Uh, I used Python in Jupyter Notebook with libraries such as Pandas for data cleaning and analysis, Matplotlib and Plotly and Seaborn for creating visualizations, which are very easy to understand, and group by aggregation to compute averages. These libraries in Jupyter Notebook helped me a lot to create a nice visualizations which are very effective for an individuals to see. Coming to results, I can show you my results directly on Jupyter Notebook. So here you can see, at first I imported a data set, mental health and social media balance data set as a CSV file, and I ran this file in the Jupyter notebook. And then for to know that to check any missing values, I did this data from info, and then I created a visualization. I created around 3 to 4 visualizations. And firstly, to as mentioned, there should be two interactions. So I imported pandas, I imported matplotlib, I imported plotly graph objects, and then I created a graph between average sleep quality and stress level versus days without social media with interactions. I created this interaction because individual can easily see by just touching the graph what's happening in the graph. You can see here in the x-axis it is represented as days without social media, and here the graph shows the blue line indicates the sleep quality, whereas the red line indicates the stress level. I have chosen this line chart because it can easily uh, it is very easy to us to analyze the trends by using the line graphs. Uh, and then you can see here there is an positive correlation between sleep quality and days without social media, whereas a negative correlation between stress level and days without social media. That is, there is an increase in sleep quality with increase in days without social media. That means people who are not using social media has an higher sleep quality, and there is a negative correlation between stress level and days without social media. That means people who are using social media has a stress level. And then I created another box plot between social media platforms and sleep quality. Basically, there is no direct correlation between sleep quality and social media platform, but sleep social media platforms indirectly affects sleep quality, because increase the usage of social media platforms can increase the screen time, which often lead to a decrease in the sleep quality. And then coming to the next visualization between sleep quality versus screen time, and also stress level. It is a bubble chart. Here, this is one of the most commonly used graph for easy visualization. And then you can see there is a positive correlation between sleep quality and daily screen time, and also there is a negative correlation between sleep quality and stress level. So as the screen time increases, there is decrease in the sleep quality. And also I created another visualization between stress level distribution across stress level and daily screen time. Usually there will be a positive correlation between them. As the daily screen time increases, the stress level also increases. I just want to know about correlation coefficient between 10 variables, so that I ran this program, and then I created a correlation heat map between different variables. Coming to the slides. So correlation heat map, there is a higher values of correlation indicate stronger positive correlation. Higher value is 1. There is a stronger positive correlation, whereas the lower values indicate negative correlation. My future work, in the future, this system could include more data and additional variables to explore deeper insights. Interactive dashboards could allow users to filter and compare information easily. We could also add predictive tools or automated features to make analysis faster and more useful for different users. The references are used Kaggle website for dataset. Thank you. Thank you for your patience.